Welcome back to Diamond Drive. Today, we bring you the thrill of German engineering perfected, the new 2026 Audi R8. This isn't just a supercar, it's a machine built for speed, precision, and pure driving passion. Design. From the very first glance, the new 2026 Audi R8 commands attention. The sculpted aerodynamic body, aggressive front grille, and sleek LED headlights create a presence that is both modern and unmistakably iconic. Every curve and line is crafted for style and performance, making the R8 instantly recognizable on any road. Performance. Under the hood, the new 2026 R8 delivers explosive power. The twin-turbo V10 engine, paired with a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission and quattro all-wheel drive, offers blistering acceleration and precise handling. From 0 to 60 miles per hour in mere seconds, it's a supercar designed for drivers who demand adrenaline with every rev. Technology. Inside, the R8 combines driver-focused innovation with modern convenience. The digital cockpit, advanced infotainment system, and customizable driving modes provide intuitive control. Every system is designed to enhance the connection between the driver and this German engineering masterpiece. Competing with high-performance icons like the McLaren 720S and Lamborghini Huracan, the new 2026 Audi R8 stands out with its perfect balance of design, speed, and technology. With a starting price around $220,000, it's crafted for those who want precision, performance, and prestige in one package. So if you're ready for a supercar where aesthetics meet performance and technology meets thrill, the new 2026 Audi R8 is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching Diamond Drive. Stay tuned for more exclusive supercar reviews and premium automotive insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more high-performance content.